Okay guys, here we go again for another vlog. This is Jamir Goldfish. As you can see, I already transfer our Shogun ST Oranda. I groomed them on my broken freezer rep tab for 3 months. They really grow so fast. I think they are already 10 centimeter. Okay guys, this April 7, me and my family decided to go to the beach. I'm going to show you guys this place. This beach is from Calatagan, Batangas. From Cavite to Batangas, we travel for 3 hours. They have their own restaurant and swimming pool also. Please don't skip ads guys, it will help grow my channel. Please watch the full video. I'm going to show you guys later the updated progress of our ST Shogun Oranda. Thank you very much guys for the support. Here is the docking area and we rented a floating cottage boat. The maximum capacity of floating cottage boat is 15 packs. For 15 packs, we paid 5,000 pesos. Kids below 3 years old is free of charge. We paid also 40 pesos per head for entrance. You guys can bring food and they have a griller here so you can grill your fish or barbecue. You can start here from 7 a.m. to 5 p.m. There's a 2 lifeguard that will accommodate you and a 1 navigator that driving our floating cottage. The place are so relaxing and clean. The water is so crystal clear. Your family will going to enjoy here. You can rent jet ski and banana boat also. As you can see guys, the beach are really crystal clear. I'm planning to go back here again because it's really worth it. They have a 3 destination. The second destination is you can go snorkeling the deeper side of the beach where you can see the corals and the fishes. Then the others is beautiful beaches where the kids can enjoy swimming. Paris. Okay guys, shout out to our viewers, to Sir Miko Laureta, to Matthew Locsin, and kay Insan Carl Roque. Look how big already. This is king already. His color is getting really vibrant. This one is Toguro. He's big also already. Look how really beautiful they are. This is Sub-Zero. They are really fat and chunky. This is our Ranchu from Grow Out Challenge from Iloilo. This is Sakuragi already. Look how beautiful he is also. Then our Juby Oranda that breed by MFL Goldfish, I already transferred them on RepTab. I'm going to groom them there for 3 months. So they're going to grow so fast. Because my freezer RepTab is bigger, it is a 130 gallon. Okay guys, Chamir Goldfish is signing off. Until next time, sit back and relax and enjoy the rest of the video, and God bless.